Hello, today I'm going to be explaining how to create a room in GameMaker. So when you start GameMaker, you already have one room right up here. I've already done some things with it, but that's beside the point. If you want to create a new one, what you want to do is go to your workspace, click on any empty area like this, right click, go to Assets, go to the right, and then scroll down until you see Create Room. That'll create a new room. Another thing you can do is use the shortcut Alt-R. You're going to want to press Alt and then R on your keyboard. And there, a room will be created. Another way to create a room is by actually going to any of the rooms you already have. I just go to the default room, room 1. And you can click here to create room like that. Should create another room. You can also go to here to create and then go down to room if I can find it. Right there. And that's another way you can create a room.